In a recent leak, reliable leaker ICE Universe revealed that Samsung Galaxy S24 series in Europe will be equipped with the Exynos 2400, breaking a lot of hearts. A new leak has emerged that says the Galaxy S24 Ultra will not have Exynos 2400. According to another tipster, only the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be equipped with Exynos 2400. He further indicated that the S24 Ultra, regardless of region, will have the Snapdragon processor. In other words, S24 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy smartphones. It appears to be the more powerful version of the two. A recent report said that the base configuration will be 8128 and going up to 2 terabyte. But this seems to be very strange because this year all the S23 series came at 256 except for the base model S23, and as you know 128 GB is UFS 3.1. Why would Samsung go back on that? It's very strange. The Exynos 2400 will have a 10 core chip with Cortex X4 core, 2 clusters of Cortex A720 cores, and finally 4 A5520 cores. The GPU called LX 940 is based on AMD's technology on RDNA2. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be an overclocked version of the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It will feature a powerful X4 core, 3 Cortex A720 cores, and alongside you will get 2 Cortex A710 cores and 2 Cortex A510 cores. It will feature Adreno 750 GPU, and it will be announced in the month of October, and the date should be October 28th.